today. It's a 2020 Audi A5 Premium Plus. This is finished in Navarra blue metallic. Equipped with a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with a 7-speed automatic transmission. Front and rear parking sensors, backup camera, Audi side assist. Has a black soft top convertible. We're going to start up here at the driver front wheel, and you will notice a little bit of curb rash along the edge there. As you can see. .245 4018 Cabriolet all-season tires. These are the Cinturato P7s. And back here at the driver rear wheel, a little more curb rash there along the lip. And back here at the passenger rear wheel, a little more curb rash. And finally up here at the passenger front, some more curb rash along the lip of the wheel there. And take to the interior, we have a black leather interior. Natural oak wood inlays, driver memory settings, power folding and heated exterior mirrors, Bang & Olufsen premium sound system, front sports seats. It says equipped with 3-stage heated and 3-stage heated and cooled neck ventilation. And that 3-stage heated ventilated seats is part of the luxury package. Got your huge center screen there with Audi MMI navigation, Apple CarPlay, dual zone climate control. Got your wireless charging box there in the center console. And your heated multifunction steering wheel. And your Audi virtual cockpit. Current mileage 28452. Alright folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, give us a call here anytime, 614-793-1050. More photos of this vehicle will be listed on our website. You can check that out at autoassets.com.